Ever wonder who makes all the liquor laws? Spoiler alert, it's not your local bartender. Broadly speaking, national parliament makes laws about the manufacturing and wholesale distribution of liquor, as well as some big issues like drinking and driving and excise taxes. Provincial legislatures make laws about the micro manufacturing and retail sale of liquor, that's sale of liquor directly to consumers. And municipal councils and provincial legislatures are jointly responsible for regulating how liquor retailers conduct their business. Issues like trading hours and security. And it gets a bit more complicated when we deal with issues like advertising and minimum drinking age. Confused? Don't worry, stick with the program and it will become as clear as vodka.